Imagine a world where managing your money feels effortless. Your bills are paid, your investments grow, and your savings goals are met, all while you sleep. Sounds like science fiction? It's not. This is the reality of how artificial intelligence is transforming the world of personal finance. In this video, I'll show you how AI tools can help you save smarter, invest wisely, and achieve financial freedom faster than ever before. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, you'll learn actionable ways to integrate AI into your financial life. Stick around, because the future of your finances is here, and it's smarter than ever. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer just a buzzword. It's a game-changing technology that's reshaping industries, including personal finance. But what does AI in finance actually mean? At its core, AI uses machine learning and algorithms to analyze vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and make predictions. In finance, this means AI can study your spending habits, predict market trends, and recommend personalized strategies for saving, investing, and even debt repayment. Think of AI as your personal financial assistant, one that's available 24/7, never gets tired, and continuously learns to get better. Saving money can feel overwhelming, but AI makes it easier than ever. Here's how. First, AI-powered budgeting apps like YNAB. You need a budget, or Mint track your spending in real time. They categorize your expenses automatically, showing you exactly where your money goes and helping you identify where to cut back. Second, AI tools like Digit or Capital use predictive algorithms to save money for you. They analyze your income and spending habits, then set aside small amounts you won't even miss. It's like having a savings account that grows without you lifting a finger. Let me give you a real-life example. A user of Digit reported saving over $5,000 in a year without even noticing. How? The AI detected small daily opportunities to save, like rounding up spare change or adjusting savings based on their spending trends. Now let's talk about investing, a critical part of building wealth that can feel intimidating for many. AI is here to change that. Robo-advisors like Betterment, Wealthfront, or Acorns use AI to simplify investing. They create personalized portfolios based on your goals, risk tolerance, and timeline. No need to study market trends or stress about stock selection. The AI does it all for you. For example, Acorns rounds up your spare change from everyday purchases and invests it automatically. Over time, those small amounts can grow into a significant portfolio. But it doesn't stop there. Advanced tools like Zeroda's Streak or Trade Ideas allow experienced investors to leverage AI for market analysis, identifying trading opportunities faster than any human could. One success story. A beginner investor using Wealthfront reported earning 12% returns in their first year simply by letting the robo-advisor handle their investments. That's the power of AI. AI isn't just about saving and investing, it's also a powerful ally in managing debt. Apps like Tally or Cred.ai use AI to help you pay down high-interest credit cards efficiently. They analyze your debt, prioritize payments, and even negotiate lower interest rates on your behalf. For example, Tally users have reported saving hundreds in interest fees each year just by automating their payments through the app. Imagine the relief of knowing your debt is under control and you're on the fast track to financial freedom. One question that often comes up is AI safe and reliable for managing your finances? The short answer is yes, with some precautions. Most AI-powered financial tools use encryption and other security measures to protect your data. However, it's always important to choose trusted apps and platforms with strong user reviews. Remember, AI tools are here to assist, not replace, your financial decisions. Think of them as tools to help you make smarter choices, not tools to make choices for you. Artificial intelligence's future holds even greater potential, offering personalized financial advice, integrating with smart devices, and predicting life events to help you stay ahead. The possibilities are endless, and the earlier you start using these tools, the more you'll benefit. Artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword. It's a revolution that can change the way you manage your money forever. Whether it's saving smarter, investing easier, or paying off debt faster, AI tools are here to make your financial life simpler and more effective. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to see it. Don't forget to subscribe to Dollars and Decisions for more actionable tips and insights to build wealth and secure your financial future. Let me know in the comments, which AI tool are you most excited to try? Until next time, take control of your finances and let AI work for you.